Hello, everyone. Hope you all are doing great in your studies at your home or whatever, at your college or at the university. I know that everything that has been done by the teachers for the students is not enough because it's just a 45 minutes lecture or maybe a 1 hour lecture. In that lecture, you can't get each and everything, so you can get just a little bit knowledge about that one, or you can just pass the examination, but not to get the complete information about the subject so that you can compete in the some competitive exams like GATE Graduate Aptitude Test, or you're not able to score well in NTA NET examination because this kind of exams are a little bit tricky, and they are not like that one that you have studied in your school. There is more, there are a little bit more things that you have to do in these subjects before you have to sit in that those examinations, because there are these exams are time limited. So your time bound statements are there, so you have to figure out each and everything in that within that time. Now the MT exam has also that is a computerized exam, online exam, so you have to complete those exams within those time limits. And so there are some silly mistakes that has been done by the students. Sometimes they knew each and every concept, but they are done a little bit mistakes, like whenever they are doing like a bit to like a bit byte, they may be confusion in bit byte rather than saying bit or byte. So that's why in the networking they just give the wrong answer, because both answers are there in the, because both answers are there in the in the options. So when you are clicking the, when you are just figuring out that this thing is this one and the answer is this one, you are just take the answer, but that answer is wrong because you cannot consider that answer is in a bit or byte. So these are the many things. So I'm just doing a little bit a pathway for those students who are self-motivated, self-hardworking students, who did not able to go to the higher paying, to the large institutions, as well as for the just for the competitive exams. So it's just my effort for those students, that so that I will just give you an overview about the subjects, about the competitive exams as well, so that you can learn at your own pace. You can learn the things by your own and at a free of cost, of course. So it's my just passion that I will teach the students. I have taught the students like near about 8 years. Now, since 8 years, I taught many types of students in my life. So, some students are like that. They learn things by own, but there are some confusions in the concepts. So, those concepts, those confusions within the subjects, within the concepts, nobody is there to clear those concepts. So sometimes there are the minute differences between the things. So the students are confused between those two things, and they are trying hard to compete those examinations. They are trying very hard. They are putting efforts. They are putting their 100%, but they are unluckily or unfortunate, I said, they cannot go through about from those examinations. So it's my little bit effort for those students who are very enthusiastic to get through the examinations like GATE, NET series, or any other computer like examinations, and who are I have seen many institutes, many colleges in other universities also, where where they have a very limited amount of knowledge has been provided by the professors. I'm not saying that it is some mistakes of a professors. It is just because there is a limited syllabus for the students. So they have to sit in the examination and just write the paper. But the actual practical knowledge behind those subjects has not been provided to the students. So that's why students are lacking in that one. Because of the thanks to the internet, because of the internet, we are able to grasp the things from all over the world, and we can learn the things. But sometimes there is a lots of knowledge, and we don't know from where we learn and what we learn. Uh, where should we start, and what we know and what we don't know. So these kind of things are in our mind. So it's my humble request to all students that if you find anything like that, just comment in this video, and so that I can just correlate these things. And the second thing, I will teach you the subjects like subject first of all, like the various subjects that those are very valuable in UGC NET as well as in GATE examination. First of all, databases, and second one is algorithm design analysis. My funda is this one, algorithm design analysis. So my funda is this one. First of all, I have to teach you each and every subject with the depth of knowledge, and I have to solve some questions for you so that you can get that what kind of questions you have to solve in the final examination. So we will try to find out that one as those were like a computer organization, you know, and well, just five subjects. First of all, I'm just because it's not that one. It's not easy for me to complete each and every subject from the depth. But yeah, I try my best. Okay, and the networking, and the last but not the least one is the like C language or data structure. Okay, so these subjects I will start first of all free of cost each and every concept in these subjects, and after that, if I get some time and get some free time, I will do something like that one, like the other subject, a compiler design, and automata theory, so these subjects also I will do it at the last but not the least, computer graphics. So these are the also subjects, and these subjects are also having a weightage in NTA NET, not in as much as in a GATE examination. In the GATE, there is a mathematics. Don't forget that to include that one. So these are the basic subjects. So whatever we have included in our syllabus. So if you need something more, you will comment in the comment section in this video. So I will try to do at my best. Thank you very much, and thank you. And we will start it as soon as possible. Thank you.